Hey guys, this is my final project reflection. My objectives: students will be able to name and locate the major muscles of the human body on a model. Students will use clay to produce small models of muscles to attach to the mannequin. Students will use Google Slides to create a project that demonstrates their knowledge of muscle origin, insertion, and actions. Students will show their knowledge of the subject by passing the quiz given to them at the end of the unit. And then how I met these objectives. One, you can see right here, I made a website by Google Sites. It was fun, easy to do, but I attached a lot of different things and linked a lot of different things into there. One being the project outline, a list of muscles that students are supposed to, one, create using clay, two, put on a little mannequin, and then three, figure out the origin of the muscle, the insertion of the muscle, the action, and then some kind of exercise with a lot of the body muscles that they could do to help build and strengthen the muscle. Another thing that I linked was an actual student project. Okay, so you could see clay on the little mannequin. They also used another picture that they researched and found and put in there just for comparison, which I thought worked pretty well. And then I also put this in my website, which is a digital poster, to essentially allow them to share their project with everyone by taking a group picture and then putting that group picture into the digital poster, and then they could link this Google Slides project. And at the end of the unit, took a quiz, which is also put on the website for everyone to see. That's how my objectives were met. In reflection, I appreciated having the class schedule at the beginning just to see all the other projects and how they'd be used to help set up for this final project, which is great. I also really enjoyed the tools that I was exposed to during this course. They helped with this final project and then a lot of other things that I'll do in the future. I thought the Google Sites was easy to use, it looks appealing, and it's going to be beneficial to me in the future, so I plan on using it again. ISTE standards. 6B, students create original works. They made their own models, and then it says remix digital resources into new creations. They took some from the internet and then used their own pictures and then used the ones from the internet for comparison. 6C, students communicate complex ideas clearly and effectively by creating or using a variety of digital objects, which they did with those pictures and the pictures of their models. And then 6D, students publish or present content that customizes the message and medium for their intended audiences, all with the Google Slides, and with my site they could do that. And then 7C, students contribute constructively to project teams, which this project was just a group project. They collaborated on slides, made models together, and so forth. TPAC models or TPAC intersections were met. Technology was used in the form of iPad, took pictures, created a Google Slides project, and able to digitally share their projects with other students. For pedagogy, I used collaborative project-based learning, hands-on modeling, which I thought was good. The content intersection was the muscular system for my class, which is body systems, and more specifically muscle identification and their functions. Big takeaway, I thoroughly enjoyed this assignment. I loved working with new innovative tools that will be used in the future. The Google site that I made is something that I'll use for other units, at least I plan to, maybe for eventually an entire class. Learned a lot through the use of this class. Like it says, I was humbled by seeing how creative some of the other teachers in this class were. The creativity sparked ideas for myself, and for that, thank you. I appreciate all the guidance that was given to me, and I look forward to possibly working with some of you again in the future. Thanks.